Pog.
Pog. Fat shark.
Yeah, Pog.
What they kill?
5,
Gorgonite.
4, 3, 2, 1.
It's not the 10th boss though.
Easy for Lucy. Yeah, it is.
Penta can count. He got
Twilight
9
Breath.
in his broadcast.
Well, maybe they skipped the
Despair.
boss.
Annihilation.
Mode was too hard.
Let's just focus on ours for now.
Twilight Breath. Annihilation. Dark
Rapture.
Gateway. Twilight Breath. Annihilation.
one.
It's
For
gonna
sure.
be shit.
What to smash?
Despair.
Evangelism.
We'll get a second one. Don't
Face
make it.
interrupt that.
Annihilation. Twilight Breath.
Watch it now. Good.
Just
High
finish the morph now.
energy. Dark
Ads.
Gateway. Fanatical Annihilation.
Getting second wave. The one forcer.
Twilight Breath.
Watch out. It's a smash.
Transition.
Get to cross.
Power of the
I have
chosen.
aggro
What's the
again.
second
Please get it off
smash?
me.
Get across.
I'll need the spells all the time.
DPS
Dodge.
enforcer.
Debuff. Twilight
Move now.
Decimator.
Finish it. Good.
Good.
Shadowy Annihilation.
Hit the stairs.
Dodge.
Move.
Twilight Decimator.
Going all the way.
Annihilation.
Dodge. Watch it in.
And move.
Twilight Decimator.
Commit.
We're potting when it lands.
Pod right's good for you. Let's go.
Dark
Ads.
Gateway. Twilight Breath. Despair.
Okay, first
Or
wave is
mastery.
enforcer. So watch
Rapture.
it.
Debuff.
Watch the smash. We'll get a second one for sure.
Twilight Breath. Shadowy Residue.
Evangelism.
There's a smash. Watch it. Good.
Dark
Ads.
Gateway. Twilight Breath.
I'll grip the first ones.
Yeah. This is the one where we have to.
Despair.
Or
do
mastery.
Start with AM. Jurassic.
Twilight Breath.
Keep pumping the boss.
Like these ads
High
are like
energy.
actually like nothing.
Keep pushing boss. But it's pretty good. HP
Dark
wise.
Gateway.
Really good.
Twilight Breath.
Hella damage.
Debuff.
Yeah.
Transition.
And the enforcers.
Oh,
And watch the
Power of the
smashes.
chosen.
Just watch the smashes.
Shadowy Residue.
I really want to beam, but I have aggro on 2 of them and they're all spread out.
Watch out.
Twilight Decimator.
Like fuck me, man.
DPS is enforcer. Come on.
I s-
Annihilation.
Near the
Dodge.
entrance. Move.
Twilight Decimator.
Finish his ads.
Fanatical Ascension.
Finish the
Finish
smashes.
them,
the
you don't
far
run
one.
away. You finish them, you
Dodge.
don't run away.
Annihilation.
Get the med.
Twilight Decimator.
Go to med.
Fuck off to the sides of these.
Annihilation.
I don't that it's gonna breathe.
Dark
Ads.
Gateway. Twilight
Rapture.
Breath. Annihilation. Despair.
Okay. She's quite low.
Pain's up. This is gonna hurt.
Watch the smash. Watch the smash. Good stun there. Get the
Twilight
ads down.
breath.
She's already pushed.
You can rest
There's
it
the
on.
ads.
It's gonna do the.
Yeah,
What's
with the
the smash?
smash. With the smash. Go. Second part if you didn't.
Wait in mid
We're
first.
baiting mid first. Baiting middle first.
Twilight breath. Twilight decimator.
Go.
High energy.
Left.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Heart of Move. darkness.
3,
You
2,
two are going
Ah.
behind
One.
it, stacking on each other so you don't get few.
Twilight breath. Twilight
Go
decimator.
mid.
I'm just gonna roll.
Stack. Twilight breath.
Put these bottles behind us.
5,
High energy.
4,
Twilight
Three.
decimator.
2,
And Heart of Darkness
One.
now. Heart of Darkness,
Heart of
don't die.
darkness.
3,
Commanding
Aura
two.
mastery. 1.
Barrier.
Twilight
Can you
breath.
spell me?
Evangelism.
I'm jumping
Ah.
back.
Stack. Twilight decimator.
Go mid.
I'm trying to get up as fast as I can.
Next one is hard
Twilight
parts.
breath.
Stop sulking, Josh. Be close to me, Tangus, please. Yeah,
Rapture.
I don't want to get feared again now. Just be on me. Just be on me.
Yeah.
Next is
Five.
Heart of
High
Darkness
energy.
with the baiting.
3, 2,
Anything we have
This
left
is
is
everything
on
you
this one.
Heart
thought.
of darkness.
3,
Twilight
Commanding
Wait.
decimator.
mastery.
1.
Darkness.
Twilight breath.
Puddles on the back. Don't put them in the middle of the raid. please.
Stack.
What's that? Oh, okay.
Twilight
Go mid.
Twilight breath.
Kill him. Good job.
Sounds like quite a fucking joke.
Transition.
Well, yeah.
George, you were right.
Just amazing prediction.
Coin?
You know.
Fuck.